The third method of measuring correlation given by Karl Pearson is shortcut method. Let's understand this method now. Hello everyone. Welcome to our EcoStudies channel. I am Poonam Vora, your instructor from Egypt, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are introducing series for our subjects to give you an insight of our offered courses on our website that will help you prepare for CBSE and CUET examinations. But before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of my free valuable videos. And if you like the content, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Now let's get started. Hello everyone. So far you have understood the actual mean method and the direct method of finding coefficient of correlation. Now you will understand shortcut method of finding coefficient of correlation. You will understand the shortcut method through a numerical illustration. Have a look at this illustration. The values of two variables x and y are given. You are required to find coefficient of correlation as given by Karl Pearson through shortcut method. In order to find coefficient of correlation by shortcut method, you need to prepare 7 columns of a table. Column 1 provides data of variable x. Column 2 is the deviations from mean for x. Column 3 is square of the deviations. Column 4 values of variable y. Column 5 deviations for y. Column 6 square of the deviations, and column 7 multiplication of the deviations of x and y. Now let us see how the table gets complete. The first value of variable x is 12. Then it is 16 till 30. Next step is to find mean for deviations. Mean would be n by 2, which is 8 by 2. That is the fourth value. That is 18. So second column is finding deviations. 12 minus 18 minus 6. 16 minus 18 minus 2, and so on. Complete the series. Have its summation. Here it is sigma x, which is 24. Next is square up the deviations. Minus 6 into minus 6, 36. Minus 2 into minus 4, 2, 4, and so on. Complete the series. Have its summation. Sigma x square, which is 358. Next is the values of variable y are given. You need to find again mean in order to have deviations. Here also it will be fourth value, which is 24. So find deviations from 24. 16 minus 24, 8. 18 minus 24 minus 6, and so on. Complete the series, have its summation. You get sigma y. Then next column is square up these deviations. Minus 8 into minus 8, 64. Minus 6 into minus 6, 36, and so on. Complete the series, have the summation. Sigma y square, which is 440 in this case. Then have the multiplication of deviations of x and y. That means multiply minus 6 into minus 8. That is 48. Again minus 2 into minus 6, 12. And that is how you complete the series. and have its summation. Sigma xy is equal to 384. Next would be to apply the formula. The formula to be applied is R is equal to sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y divided by n. The whole thing to be divided by under root of sigma x square minus sigma x whole square by n into sigma y square minus sigma y whole square by n. And we have found all these values. We have found sigma xy as 384. We have found sigma x, sigma y, which is 24 and 16. We have found sigma x square, which is 358. Sigma x whole square we have already found, and sigma y square we have found as 440. Rest all values have been found. So substituting all the values and after having its calculations, we find that coefficient of correlation is 0.983. That's positive. So the conclusion is that there exists a high degree of positive correlation. In order to find coefficient of correlation by shortcut method, you need to be very clear about the formula. Formula is sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y by n to be divided by under root of sigma x square minus sigma x whole square by n to be multiplied by under root of sigma y square minus sigma y whole square by n. So you need to find sigma x, you need to find sigma y, you need to find sigma x square, you need to find sigma y square, and you need to find the summation of the deviations of x and y. Once you have found all these values, then you need to substitute it, calculate, and find correlation. Accordingly, you can make an inference. This method is relatively simpler as compared to direct method in the sense, though it may involve more steps, but it is easy to calculate. So probability of making errors is very less. Next time we shall discuss the step deviation method of finding correlation. Till then, keep reading and keep practicing. Thank you. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just Rs 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to EcoStudies channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.